View models are stored in a retained headless fragment. Fragments that have set_retain instance set to true are able to survive configuration changes. This is one of the ways that developers up until now have maintained state across config changes. Google took that one step further and abstracted that part away. Now we simply request a viewModel class, and if one hasn't been created for the activity or fragment yet, a new one will be instantiated. This new viewModel instance will survive until the activity is finished, meaning it's destroyed and not coming back unless as a new instance, or the fragment is no longer in the Fragment Manager's active fragments list. The viewModel logic is even smart enough to have separate viewModels for separate instances of the same fragment. So if you reuse a fragment for a new screen that's added to the backstack, it will get its own viewModel even though it has the same type of a fragment that already exists in the Fragment Manager. With that covered, let's get started creating the project so we can see these techniques in action.